Go get him. Go get him, Becca.
You're too slow for me.
Go get Monkey. Go get him. Go get your papas.
Too slow for me.
Whoa.
Too slow for me, Lil.
Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go get him. Go get him. She wants you to chase her. She wants you to chase her.
She's chasing me.
Look at you so fast. Look at you so fast. Yeah, look at you so fast. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Crash. Crash. Oh, bonk. Ouch. Ouch. You're okay.
Don't cry.
She hit her nose on my shin.
Oh,
You're okay, Buggy. Mama. You're okay. Where's Ellis? Where's Ellis? Go get him. Go get him. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
She's a little bit fast, but too slow.
Becca. No, those are Bubba's.
Yeah, chase Rebecca.
You gonna tell time?
Pick up some of the stuff on the floor so somebody doesn't hurt themselves with all this
Are you gonna tell time?
running that's going on real quick.
Yeah. Look at you. Oh, standing up with a toy. Didn't last very long though. What?